If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Google Photos subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Open Google Photos app. Launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device or go to the Google Photos website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. In-app, tap on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. On the website, click on the gear icon for settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Navigate to subscriptions. Look for the Manage Subscriptions or Subscriptions option in the settings menu. This section will show you all your active subscriptions, including Google Photos. Step 4. Select Google Photos subscription. Find the Google Photos subscription you want to cancel. Click on it to view the details and options related to your subscription. Step 5. Cancel auto renewal. Follow the prompts to cancel the auto renewal. You may need to confirm your choice. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation that your subscription will not renew at the end of the billing cycle. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the cancellation. If you need further assistance, consider reaching out to Google support.